Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
हाय सिद्धार्थ, वेलकम टू IWM बस। ये हम आपको पहली बार वेब सीरीज में डेब्यू करते हुए देख रहे हैं, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Yes, it's my first web series, and I'm very nervous. I haven't seen the episodes yet because I am nervous. That's the reason I haven't seen them, and I get nervous whenever I watch my work. So I don't know. You guys tell me.
Please tell us something about your character.
Well, he is as you see him. He is a hot-headed guy. He is very aggressive, but I won't say he is very lovable, but yes, there is a bit of love in him towards his sister, especially towards his sister and his father. Now that love for his father is completely different. It's a respect kind of love, so that is completely different, but towards his sister it's pure sister love. So that's what Ashish is, and he's very you cannot like anticipate what he'll do next. It's unpredictable completely, and yeah, that's what I guess he is, unpredictable.
स्टोरी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे प्लीज?
You will definitely see Mumbai, city of dreams. Maya Nagri is Mumbai. So we are showing our city of dreams from a political point of view. So it's not only about politics, it's politics happening in the city of Mumbai. And when we say city of Mumbai or politics in Mumbai, it becomes Marathi. So it has a Marathi background, and I won't tell you the story. You will have to watch it for yourself, and everybody's interpretation of the story can be different because it is shot in such a way. And I guess everybody will relate to this story, and with the characters as well.
मुंबई को देखते हैं, what is that one thing that comes to your mind when you see Mumbai?
I guess this city is irresistible. So I'm from Pune, and I have never liked crowded spaces. I've never liked traffics, and I've never liked huge and tall buildings. I've never loved them, and in Pune you get nothing like that. But when I shifted to Mumbai from Pune for work, I started falling in love with this city. I started falling in love with the people in this city, and that's why it has become irresistible for me. Now I don't like to go to Pune. But whenever I go to Pune and I'm sitting idle, I feel like I'm jobless. Even if I'm doing 1,000 jobs, I feel like I'm jobless. Let's go to Mumbai and be jobless instead of being in Pune and being jobless. So it's an irresistible city, I will say. And again, just like Ashish Gaikwad, unpredictable.
आपके co-stars के साथ आपका बॉन्ड कैसा रहा?
It's always a dream come true for any actor who gets to work with this set of actors, because all talented. I've worked with Priya previously in a Marathi film, and we were a couple over there. We were brother and sister. I've worked with Sachin sir before in a film. I never got a chance to work with Atul sir before. Because of this web series, I got that chance. Uday Tikekar sir, Aijaz bhai, and he is such a brilliant person. I like, he's such a great, brilliant artist as well. The way he creates his character is very commendable, and I loved each and every moment spent on the set, and especially because of Nagesh sir, everything happened in my life right now. The City of Dreams, you can say that Nagesh sir, he has taught me how to act. You can say this, because if it was not for Nagesh sir, I wouldn't have been able to pull this off, because it's a character which I have never done in my life before, and I never believed in the fact that I can play a negative character or a grey character or an aggressive character, because as a person I'm nothing like that. But everything happened because of Nagesh sir.
क्या challenges आपने face किए?
I'm not that abusive person. वो गालियाँ मैं इतना देता हूँ नहीं, लेकिन the real challenges, to be honest, was to be consistently aggressive in each and every scene. Since I am a cool-minded person, I'm not that aggressive. Even if aggression is required in some moments, I'm not aggressive at all. But to show that aggression through your eyes, that's the most difficult part, I guess, and that all happened because of Nagesh sir.
Okay, so any message you want to give to the audience?
You have to watch City of Dreams, and you have to tell us your honest reviews, because those reviews will help us do something better next time. So I'm sure you'll love City of Dreams. You'll love your Mumbai shown in a different point of view. So please watch City of Dreams and tell us what you feel about it.
अगर आप पॉलिटिशियन बन जाओ तो आप क्या चेंज लाना चाहोगे?
I guess the change starts from yourself. If you want a change in your city, if you want a change in your country, the change should start from yourself. You have to follow rules given by the government. You have to be disciplined. You have to follow traffic rules. So everything is like everything is connected. You follow all rules. You be a good citizen. You pay your taxes. Everything will change. The country will change. So I guess if you want for a change, you change yourself first.
इलेक्शंस आने वाले हैं तो उस बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हो?
Yes, definitely. See, if you want a good lifestyle, if you want a good infrastructure, or if you want to, grow personally, earning money is not the only option. You have to vote, because if you vote, then you will get better chances of earning money. So again, it's all connected. So if you want to live a good lifestyle, you have to go and vote. Otherwise, you don't have a right to appreciate or to complain about anything which is given by the government.